now I would like to explain the next concept or another concept in data mining, which kind of applications are targeted. That means by using the data mining, what kind of the operations we are going to be perform, or where we are using the data mining tools or techniques, or what kind of the knowledge or what kind of the information we are going to be mining in which from the various kinds of the domains by using the data mining. But in general, today the data mining is applicable anywhere and everywhere. There is no doubt, especially for the latest technologies such as we are using the data science or the data analytics. The data mining is the core part. It is the central pillar. So the data mining can be applicable each and every activity of the human being today. It is not the science or it is not the technology in my point of view. Generally, the data mining is a general human instinct because suppose we go to any supermarket, we would like to purchase one product. Suppose that may be some soaps, right? Some soaps. We can compare the cost, quality, ingredients, or something else of the particular soap of the product of X with the product of Y. That means one company soaps are compared with in number of parameters, depending upon the number of parameters, either the cost and quality and weight and several issues with the other company product, soap product. So the data mining, in my point of view, is a general human instinct. No doubt, we are always performing the mining either by using our background knowledge, that means our previous knowledge, and something else. Suppose we are going to purchase the same product through online, then we are also review some comments, the product which is already purchased by some customers and their feelings. We are going to be also mine that one also. So today the data mining is a subject which is a indivisible part of our human life. But here I am going to be try to be explain the most important areas, especially in data mining, research and development, especially which is used. Only two areas I am going to be consider application areas. One is the business intelligence, and another one is the web research. So, what do you mean by the business intelligence? So, simply we can call it as a market basket analysis, or simply market analysis or something. So, the business intelligence provides the strategies uh, and the plans and all in many dimensions, strategies, plans, and our profits, loss analysis, and everything. Because the business intelligence technique or the tool, data mining tool, use the some historical current uh, information from various kinds of the data sources, and will perform the analysis and provide the results or the knowledge. So the we can perform the predictive analysis as well as the descriptive analysis by using the data mining tools. We are already discussed this one. The predictive analysis means we are going to be predict the future by that means we are estimating the future trends or the results what to be happen depending upon the current data by analyzing the current data. The descriptive analysis means we are going to be analyze or we are going to be getting the knowledge, the, the data which we have in our hands. Okay, right. So this business intelligence gives the predictive analysis how we are going to be run the business in future, right? These examples include reporting, online analytical processing, business performance management, competitive intelligence, benchmarking, and predictiveness. So these are the things we are also. The data mining is no doubt it is a core part of the business intelligence of the business analysis. Here we are going to be use several tools such simply online analytical processing tools, and we are these tools are applicable on different types of data storages. That means on the databases, on accounting sheets. That means maybe Excel sheets or data warehouses, and multi-dimensional. We are going to be making the analysis on multi-dimensional. Suppose a time basis, for example. Suppose on time we are going to be try to be analyze the our business process on time basis, how our profits on the last year and previous year, like that, or on product basis, which product is given much more profits in our store, or on the customer basis. That means the customers, like which kind of the products are liked by the more liked by the customers, and a location basis, right? In which location which kind of the products are to be sold actually. So we are going to be done the analysis on multi-dimensional point of view in this business intelligence, or in this business analysis by using the data mining tools. Simply we know that the classification and prediction, and there are several techniques also be there. Especially the classification and prediction are the techniques are for the core techniques for the business analysis. That means, so these are the things we are going to be analyzing by using the business analysis: markets, customers, trends, shares, products, and their prices, and everything whatnot we can analyze each and everything. The next one is we come to the next core area where we are going to be apply the data mining is web search engine. So this is the server. Simply the search engine is a one server which has the data mining tools. It has a huge search engine. It also has the several data mining tools, not only a single data mining tool, because it will can perform the search on the network based systems, because all the data may not be available at one place. It will be perform the search maybe on the internet, because the several systems or the several computers are connected via the internet. So this is the, let us consider, this is the web server or search server. It will perform the on this network. That means from this system it will extract from this system, from this system. For example, we are going to be simply consider the Google. The Google will search everything for us generally. So I will try to be describe through online. Suppose I am going to be consider here, open the Google, and I will simply typing data mining, right? Data mining. What it will be generating actually, right? Please observe there are the several tabs here. Data mining, all it will generate the list of things, that may be the documents, that may be images, that may be videos, that may be reviews, that may be some research papers, whatnot, everything. Suppose we want only the docs or textbooks or books, something else, it also be some tab is there. So it is classified, and it all sets within fraction of seconds. Actually it will getting the data from various systems, because all this data is not existed in one place or in one database. So these are the data mining books. Suppose I am going to be try to mine different data mining images. Actually it will generate the several images for the data mining. So there are several images which are available in several systems, not only in one system, right? This is some news, actually only the latest news or some news about this. So here we are also observe only 9 hours before this will be published, actually this news about the data mining. So here we are going to observe one day ago IIT Hyderabad and JNTU Delhi some publish some news, they generate some news on data mining. This is videos, so several videos that are available by using the data mining. So this is the very simple example for the web service or web server search engine. So what actually the search engine is done, the web search engine is essentially very large data mining application, not only single application, the huge and number of applications. and it also used different data mining techniques for searching different types of data for us, right? It is simply from the actually searching, not only searching, indexing means we are going to be identifying here, just I am going to show to you here, we are going to be indexing. That means the videos are indexed. That means this is the first one. That means most uh, visited videos, or these are the news, or these are the images mostly accepted, visited, or these are the books are mostly accessed actually. So indexed, right? So indexing and searching, not only everything. So in the these search engine are not only accessing the data, it also indexing the data, it also provides some analytics, and it also has certain comments actually, what kind of the users at what time, how many times the particular website or particular document is accessed, like that. Okay, friends, this is the very, I think so, a long explanation for these short documents, because of what are the application areas. Simply targeted means applications are targeted means application areas are where we are going to use data mining. Simply business intelligence and web search engine. Only I consider two things. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand this one. Thank you.